Hello, today I'm in Volvo V40. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable cruise control. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel. To enable cruise control, press this button. As you can see, cruise control is now enabled. Now you have to accelerate to desired speed and press minus button. Once it's done, you can release the acceleration pedal. To increase the speed, press plus button. To decrease it, press minus button. To pause cruise control, press 0 button. To start it again, press plus or minus button. To disable cruise control, again press this button. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.